The main part of the house, your living room. Have a look at this. Is a very spacious kitchen. You can see there is enough. Your grand master bedroom. Just have a hello everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be giving you sample flat tour of the address by GS Vadala. As you can see, I'm standing right inside the sales office. Now I'll be taking you outside, showing you the connectivity and the neighborhood of this project. But before that, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. So as you can see guys, I'm standing right inside the actual land parcel. Right in front of me is the actual land parcel. Have a look at it. Right here leads you to the main road. Also check out the neighborhood. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 5.62 acres with 8 towers, ground plus 31 floors with configuration of 2, 3 BHK and Jodi option available. Talking about amenities, this project has 45 plus ultra luxurious amenities including infinity swimming pool, clubhouse spread across 45,000 square feet, pickleball court, kids play area and many more. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. Right behind me is the actual land parcel. You can also have a look at the neighborhood of this project. This road leads you to Eastern Express Highway. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located at Vadala Monorail Depot with Eastern Express Highway at a distance of just 5 minutes, BKC connected at a distance of just 4 minutes, monorail at a distance of just 1 to 2 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 to 2 kilometers. Now let me give you this 3 BHK sample flat tour with an area of 1316 square feet. As we enter, right here is your very spacious foyer space which we usually do not get in flats. Just have a look at the foyer space. And then right in the start only you have your common washroom for your guests, so your privacy is not disturbed. Go have a look at the common washroom. Again, a spacious common washroom which you'll be getting with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. As we move ahead, to my right is your kitchen. Come have a look at the kitchen. So this is a very spacious kitchen. You can see there is enough space between both the platforms. I am just walking and showing you. So there's so much of walkable space in both the platforms, not congested at all. Easily 2-3 people can stand together and work. And right here they have taken care of double door refrigerator. Mind you, double door refrigerator, where we usually get single door refrigerator space, they have given you double door refrigerator space. Moving ahead, right here is your dry space for your washing machine, and that's again quite spacious. Have a look at it. Now let's go check out the other rooms. As we come out of the kitchen, right in front over here is your dining space. So you cook and serve directly over here, right besides your kitchen. A 6 to 8 seater of dining space can easily accommodate. Just look at the size of the dining area. Huge chairs have been kept and still easily 6 to 7 seater of dining space can come over here. And then moving ahead is the main part of the house, your living room. Have a look at the living room. Again, a quite spacious living room. L-shaped sofa set is placed and still there's enough walkable space in this room. And then let's go and check the best part of this living room. Your attached balcony. So right here you get attached balcony. Just look at the space in the balcony, guys. Let's go check out the other rooms of the house as we move ahead. So this flat is a butterfly layout. As you can see, right here is our bedroom number 1. As we walk ahead, right here is your foyer space. Have a look at the foyer space. So not only just in the living room but in the bedrooms also they've taken care of the privacy very well. Right over there is your attached washroom. Again, a very spacious attached washroom which you get with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And then comes your bedroom. So have a look at this very spacious bedroom. Again, a whole king size bed is placed right over here and still there's enough walkable space in the room. And mind you, both the sides we have equal walkable space across the bedroom, and in front again you have a lot of walkable space. Right here is your wardrobe space, so her whole wall dedicated to your wardrobe space. And then you get French window attached. Now let's go check out the other rooms. So as we move ahead, to my right is your second bedroom. Let's go have a look at it. So this is your bedroom number 2. Again, a spacious bedroom. Compared to the first bedroom which we showed, the walkable space over here is slightly less. But again, it's not congested, just slightly less. So I'm just walking and showing you around so that you have an idea of how much space we have in the room. Right here, this wall is dedicated for your wardrobe space, and then there's walkable space enough for you to use that area. And then comes your attached washroom. Have a look at the attached washroom. Again, you get this with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. And of course, you're getting French window for good amount of light, ventilation in the rooms. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So Housey gives you actual location tour, actual flat video and sample flat video, pros and cons of buying the project, payment and EMI scheme, and 360-degree location tour. All these very amazing features are available on Housey.com, so don't forget to register yourself for free and book a free site visit today with us. As on Housey, we show you everything very transparently. Come, let's have a look at the master bedroom. So this is your grand master bedroom. Just have a look. Right here, a whole king size bed is placed, and still there's so much of walkable space. Right over here is your study area. So if you want to attend meetings, do your work from home, read a book, do whatever, they have taken care of that as well. You have enough space. I'm just walking around the space and showing you that there's so much of space in the room. And the best part about this room is that the attached balcony, which I spoke about in the living room. So this balcony comes directly from your living room. Go have a look at it. So now, you have a whole big running balcony, but if for privacy reasons you want to have a separate balcony, you can easily do that. Now let's go check ahead. So the wardrobe space over here is inside, that is walking wardrobe. So right here is your walking wardrobe in L shape. Again, quite spacious. Check the depth of the wardrobe. And then comes your attached washroom right in front of your walking wardrobe. So you come and directly choose your clothes change. Again, it's a very spacious, guys, mind you, very spacious attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and high-end fittings. So every room in this house is very well planned, very well designed. No room is congested, and obviously you get balcony, which is very rare to find in today's flats in Mumbai. So everyone, this was the 3 BHK sample flat tour of the Address by GS Wadala by Raymond Realty. To get more information about this very amazing project, do download the e-brochure given below, and to know more about such amazing properties, do check the icon button. Also do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.